Welcome back, friends. Thank you for tuning in today. My name is Tiffany and this is Tiffany Baby TV. Thanks for joining us. If you're not already subscribed, hit that button before we begin. If you've been rocking with me, I appreciate y'all. Usually on my channel, we are talking about wigs. Sometimes we do makeup, but we're really all about all things beauty. So today I wanted to bring you something new. I have been seeing these Polygel nails floating around my Facebook timeline. I've also seen them pop up a few times now on Amazon, so I wanted to check it out. I'm all about slaying on a budget, as you know, and saving some coins, honey. So come on, sis, pull up a chair, go ahead and watch me work. I'm gonna show you everything that you need to know on how to do fabulous do-it-yourself nails at home. This kit comes with 4 colors: pink, jelly red, transparent, and white. A gel top coat, and a base coat. Your kit also includes a 2-sided nail file, a pack of plastic nail formers, which look basically like press-ons with little tabs on the sides. See? You will also need rubbing alcohol and a UV lamp. I purchased this one from Amazon for under $10. Check the description box for a link to purchase. Now, before I get started, I select the appropriately sized nail former for each of my nails. You are looking for a wall-to-wall fit, but also for there to be space for the gel. You do not want these to spill over the side of your nail. You'll be filing for days, sis. For a former that is a little too large, you can trim the sides with clippers for a perfect fit. Just make sure that you file the edges smooth. This is a much better fit. I poured my alcohol in this shot glass, and this acts as a slip solution to keep the gel from sticking to your tool. You'll begin by prepping your real nails. Next, you're going to go wash your hands. Do not skip this step. I'll be back in a snap. Step 3. To your freshly washed and dried nails, you will apply a thin layer of this base coat. You're going to want to cure that for 30 seconds. Today I'm using the jelly red color, which looks pretty pink to me, but okay, that's cool. This is a pretty thick gel, but it softens up as you go. You're going to want to take your gel bead onto your spatula end of your tool and scrape it into the nail former. It's sticky, so be careful. You're going to want to wet your brush in alcohol and gently pat the gel evenly into the former. Make sure that you thoroughly cover the sides of the former. Use more gel if you need to. Next, gently but with firm pressure, press the gel onto your nail. Be sure to check for lifting before you cure this. Using the wet brush end again, clean up any excess that squeezed out onto your cuticles. You're also going to want to smooth the underside of the nail, but be careful not to lift it or shift it around. When you're satisfied with the shape, you're going to want to cure this for 1 minute. To remove the nail former, press these side tabs and very gently rock it side to side. be patient. Some of these come off more easily than others. Now you can cut your new gel nails down to the desired length. You just want to double check to make sure that each hand is even. Alright, so now here comes the struggle footage. I'm sorry y'all, I could not get a good angle of this at all. But what I'm doing is filing the sides, the ends, the surface, and the underside of the nail until everything is smooth all around and sits flush against my nail bed. As you can see, the struggle was real. I finally gave up and finished filing them off camera, but this is what the shape looks like in the end. Last but not least, we will apply the top coat, again in a very thin layer. And you're going to want to cure that twice or for 1 minute total. And you're done. I am no longer a faithful nail shop regular as I used to be since having my son. I just don't have time, money, or the availability to be in the nail shop like that. So I thought that this would be a great option. I am not a nail professional by any means. I am definitely an amateur, but if I can do this, you can do this. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you're not already subscribed, hit that button before you go. But as always, I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching Tiffany Baby TV. Have a wonderful rest of your day, loves.